So see here example, solved example is this. The table below given the respective height x and y of a sample of 10 father and their sons. Find regression line of y on x. Find regression line of x on y means we have to find both regression lines. Estimate son's height if father's height is 65 inches means we have to estimate that. Estimate father's height of son's height is 60 inches means father's height, and also we have to estimate son's height. Okay. For this given this tape means data, height of father, height of son. Okay. Then for this we make this column x column, that this is the this column, y column, this column. Okay. Then u means here x minus 62, and what is 62? The average of this column. Okay, that is 62. And again find v is find for y values means y minus average of these values. Okay, so find this means x minus x is 65, 65 minus 62 is 3. Okay, 63 minus 62 is 1, likewise. Okay, then v also 68 minus 65 is 3, and make u square, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, like this, and make v square and multiplication of u into v column means 3 into 3 is 9, 1 into 1 is 1, 5 into 3 is 15, like this. Okay, then we add all columns. Additions of summation we can denote here summation v u. Okay, this summation of this column, summation of this column, summation of this column. Okay, then n is the number of pairs that we have given 10. U bar 40 divided by 10 is 4 means summation of u divided by n. And variance sigma u sigma square u 216 means u which is summation divided by n minus 4 is the u bar. This u bar means you know formula of variance, summation x square divided by n minus x bar square. So we are instead of x bar we taken here u bar, so we get some sigma square u, that is variance, we get 5.6. Then find v bar. V bar means mean of the v means v is summation and divided by n 2.3. Again find variance for the v, same formula. Then covariance of uv, you know formula, covariance of summation of xy minus x bar y bar, okay, divided by n. You know formula, this formula means I am writing here covariance of, now we can write here 1 upon n summation of uv minus x u bar and v bar. Okay, u bar and v bar. Okay, sorry, pen. Okay, now find bxy. Bxy means regression coefficient. It is equal to buv. Instead of x and y we taken u and v, is equals to 2.7 divided by 3.21 is equal to means 2.7 is covariance of uv. This is okay, covariance of uv divided by 3.21 is the sigma square v. We can write the formula here, covariance of uv divided by sigma square v for this value. And byx bvu is equal to 2.7 means covariance of uv divided by variance of v. Okay, variance of u. Okay, this value we find here. Then x bar is u bar plus 62 we have to take an average na? So we add this value in u bar, x u bar, then we get x bar is equal to 66. Then u bar is 4, so we get 66. Then y bar is equal to v bar plus 65. Okay, this is also average. We have taken find the column, and this is 67.3. Then all these value we have find. Now find regression line of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus x bar, y bar is this value. Putting the values in this equation, we get this equation. This is called regression line of y on x. Okay, find x on y. Equation is x minus x bar is equal to bxr into y minus y bar. Again put values in this equation, we get this equation. This is the y, x on y. X on y means x equal to we get, and y on x means we get y is equal to value. Then estimate sun's height. Estimate means which we have given 65, we put here in this equation. Okay, y is equal to, so we get this value. Estimate father's height for x for y. Then when there is y, we put y 60. So in this equation we put 60, we get height of father. Okay, then correlation coefficient r is equal to under root of bxy into byx is equal to, we get these values. Okay, we put these values here, we find no. So this is the correlation coefficient. Likewise we can find